Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is the third and final part to my Bear Creek Darn Good Chili Kicked Up My Way video. And I've got the chili and it's ready, and I'll tell you what, it smells great, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Here's what we got. I put the beans in about 10 minutes ago. And like I said, I didn't want them mushy because I don't like mushy. And I'm going to go ahead and plate some up here. And give it a try. As you can see, it's nice and thick. It's just got a good texture and everything. And I kicked this one up my way. So, going to give it a taste here and see if Drayton Sawyer would be proud. Ooh, that's hot. Oh, wow. This, my friends, is some good chili. Like I say, I kicked it up with some ground beef, diced onions, diced bell pepper, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and I tell you what, this chili is fantastic. Yeah. Drayton Sawyer would be proud. Might not be award winning like his to a championship under his belt, but it's almost close. So, got myself a lot of chili to eat, and I'm going to eat it. So, this is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And I'll tell you what, this is fantastic. That chili is really, really good. Bear Creek makes some great products, and this one just added to everything. So, this is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.